best part. Wait, are we skydiving today, or is this just... Wait, there's no skydiving. Oh, yeah. Woo. Oh, man. This is better than ziplining. Woo! Look at that. We're gone. Woo. Oh, my God. I just got chills. Wow. Wow, Ash, that's so awesome.
Big windows are great.
Oh my God, I know. There's the volcano. Wow. Oh my God, this is cool. This plane is equipped with these enormous windows. Look at this.
I guess they're so big.
This is so cool. Ah! Jay, check it out. Woo! This is amazing. So we were staying right over there. Right over there. That's where the resort was. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, this is so cool. Alright, we're going to be back for the next iteration of this video.